right, so you've taken the quizzes and now you're ready to move on. So here we go. So multiplying rational numbers. The product, remember product is the answer to a multiplication problem. The product is positive if the two signs are the same. So if you have two positives multiplied by each other, it's going to be positive. If you have two negatives, also going to be positive. The product will be negative if the two signs are different. So if you have a positive and a negative, it's going to equal a negative number. If you have a negative and a positive, also going to equal a negative number. So here's what that looks like. So 5 times negative 3 is going to be negative 15 because it is a positive times a, can I do red? Will you be able to see that? Times a negative. Maybe I'll box it. I changed my mind. So positive times a negative. Now the next one, we have a negative times a positive. 4 times 2 is 8, but because it's a negative 4, it's going to be negative 8. Next one is a positive and a positive. Positive, positive. Remember when there's no sign in between the two numbers, it's just parentheses. That means multiplication. So 8 times 2 is just going to be 16, positive 16. The next one, we have a positive and a negative. So negative 10 times positive 4 is going to be negative 40. Let's do number 6. We have a negative times a negative. So 7 times 7 is 49. And they're both negative. So is it going to be negative? No, it's not. It's going to be positive. Because if the signs are the same, it's going to be positive. So even if it's two negatives, it'll make a positive. And then we'll do number 9. Negative 5 times negative 4. It's a negative negative. It's going to be 20. Positive 20. All right, when you get done with this video, you're going to do a practice sheet of multiplication practice problems. And then you can move on to video 3.